Hi, and welcome to our virtual gardening program. My name is Diane Yarrow, and I'm the Assistant Director and Adult Services Librarian here at the Irvin L. Young Memorial Library. Today on our virtual gardening program, we are going to learn how to make your own mosquito repellent candles. Not only will they look nice, but they will be very functional. The ingredients are very few, and it's really quick and easy to put together. So let's get started. The ingredients you need are some pint jars. Start with 2 pint jars, a lemon, a lime, some fresh basil, some essential oil, lemongrass, floating candles, and water. And that's all you need to get started to make some beautiful, functional mosquito repellent candles for your next get-together. So first, let's start by slicing up our lemons and lime. 1 lemon and 1 lime should be enough to fill 2 jars. And it doesn't really matter the size. As you can see, my lemon is much larger than my lime. And we just slice those up. It doesn't have to be even. When they're in the jars, nobody's going to notice. So we have those sliced up. So let's start by layering. I'm going to put 2 slices of lemon in the pint jar. I found this jar, which was a little decorative. It's maybe a little bit bigger than a pint, but not much. But I thought that'd be really pretty. So let's put some lemon in there. I'm gonna add our lime slices. Oh, isn't that nice? The yellow and the green. I think this we're gonna put a 3rd slice in there because there's room for another slice there. We'll add a couple slices to this jar. May as well go ahead and add that 3rd piece of lime. So we've got our lemon and our lime. We just layered sliced lemon and lime. And then just take some sprigs of fresh basil. And if you don't grow it at home, you can purchase it at the grocery store or buy a plant at a plant shop. This I actually grew at home. And if you watched our virtual gardening program from last summer, we actually learned how to make our own herb gardens at home in our kitchen so that it could be a year-round herb garden. The trick with basil is you want to be sure that you're picking the basil off on a regular basis, otherwise it'll get overgrown and eventually it'll start blooming, and then you know that it's past where you want to use it. So if you have fresh basil at home, then you don't even have to purchase that. I'm going to add a couple more sprigs of basil here. Make that look kind of nice. And the basil smells so nice. It's so fresh. I think we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to use up all of this basil. When we get the water in there and the candle, it'll be really pretty. So we just keep layering. And I have a couple pieces of lemon left here. I'm going to go ahead and use those too. I'm going to cut the ends off. And I'm going to just add some more lemon in here. It's a nice thing. You can just experiment with how you want it to look. And I don't want to just waste the lemon, so we'll just add it to our jars here. There, we got the lemon, the lime. Put the rest of the basil in there. Very easy, just layering it all up. And next, all we need to do is add the water and the candle and the essential oil. So there we have it. We've got layers of lemon and lime and our basil, and that looks pretty nice in there. And next we're going to pour water, and you just want to fill it up to the thread here of the jar. So you just fill it up enough to get to that thread at the top. Right there, that looks good. See how pretty that looks? And we're going to fill this one up. Fill that up to the top. And there we have our jars. And next we just add our essential oil. So you want to add 10 to 15 drops of lemongrass essential oil. So 10 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I put 15 in this one because it's a little bigger jar. I'm going to put about 12 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It comes out really fast, but it doesn't have to be perfect or exact. Oh, that smells really nice with the fresh basil and the fresh lemon and lime. That's very refreshing. Looks like a refreshing drink. Get that stirred up. Those lemons back on the bottom. There, now, all that's missing are our floating candles. Get our floating candle and put it in there. Another floating candle in there. Light your candles, put them out on your tables outdoors. And this will be sure to keep away mosquitoes and other pesky bugs. They're attractive looking, they smell good, and they're functional. And think of the money you'll save on buying citronella candles. You can make your own, and people will be very impressed. I hope that you've enjoyed this program. It was really quick and easy. If you need any further instructions, be sure to come to the library. We have books